Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove object from photo using Picsart. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Picsart application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to click on this plus icon to create new project on Picsart, and then we're going to choose a photo we want to remove an object from. For example guys, I'm going to choose a photo from my gallery. I'm going to choose wait guys, I'm still choosing my photo. I'm gonna go with this one. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna go with this one, and then I'm going to remove unwanted object from this photo. If we want to remove unwanted object, we can go to the remove menu. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Alright, and then I'm going to increase the brush size. Okay, and then we can remove it like this. Wait, I'm going to undo. I'm gonna make it small, and we can remove it like this, and just click on remove. But wait, I'm going to activate the AI remove to make the result better. Click on remove. Okay, and just wait for a moment. It's still processing. Wait, guys. Alright, now it's done. And as you can see guys, that the unwanted object has been removed from my photo. And don't forget to click on the check mark. Okay, and this is the final result. And if you want to download it, you can click on this download icon, and then you can click on save as JPG or PNG or PDF, and I'm just going to save it as JPG. Click on save. Okay, that's easy, right? We just need to use the remove option to remove the background, to remove unwanted object from our photo. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove object from photo using Picsart. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, like your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.